What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. As y'all can see, it's still early. It's very early. It's 7 a.m. We're starting the day early. I'm taking y'all with me throughout my day, starting it with the first meeting. Welcome to the vlog. What's going on, everybody? We got Mr. Logan here. We just got out of a meeting. Again, I said I'm taking y'all throughout my day. So this is the first meeting of the day. We met at 7 a.m. Now it's like 8:25. So Logan, how about you introduce yourself, man?
What's going on, y'all? My name is Logan Bowers. I'm a local investor here in Lafayette and real estate agent. And I'm just trying to set the world on fire like Mr. O'Neal.
Yes, sir. So tell them about what happened in 2016 and where you are now.
So, man, we're standing out here right in front of Highway 90. It's interesting. I was literally working up the road. I read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad in April of 2016. The following month, I got let go from my job. I had always had plans to work. I always wanted to own a business, but I was always scared to jump out. Well, when I got let go, that was an opportunity for me to jump out. And so after, crying, complaining, poor old pitiful me for a couple weeks, I decided to start a business with, at the time, was my manager, and he became my best friend throughout this deal. And so we started an investing business, and just never looked back from there, man. We went through a lot of trials. Everybody just sees the wins, but a lot of people don't know this. But at one point, about a year in, I had burned up all my savings. We had all the money invested into real estate, and me and my wife we were in about $10,000 worth of credit card debt, man.
Hey, it happens. It happened to me before.
So we were literally, our net worth was like negative 10,000. And then now today, we are doing much better financially. We're actually in a position where my wife quit her job last month.
Congratulations.
So yeah, so just stay with it. Even when times are tough, like if I can leave y'all with anything, is like, believe in what you're doing, and you don't have to see the fruits today. If you believe in what you're doing, you're gonna have fruits.
Everybody got their failures too. So it happened to me. Everything was in real estate. Like, good thing I had a job, because I was waiting on that check. So it happened. You just gotta keep it going. Like, don't give up, because it happened to everybody. And then after that big failure is usually a big win. Absolutely, man. It was just you just gotta stay with it, man. That's all there is to it, man. You gotta stay with it. You gotta stay when you're not seeing when you're not seeing the results you want. Like, you gotta stay with it. Yes, sir. So now Logan is a top producing agent, a flipper, wholesaler, father, just do everything.
Yeah, and I'm not guys, I'm not anybody special. Like, 2 years ago, almost 3 years now, like, I had a job right down the road here. Like, I'm not any kind of special person. Like, I just didn't quit.
Right.
Like, and you can be the same person. Like, just don't quit, and you're gonna win.
Yes, indeed. We started around the same time in 2016.
Yep.
I remember the first time I got a call from you and Brandon. It was about a White House in Crowley, I think. Yep. Y'all was trying to sell, but look where we are now. I guess we reached a little big success. But guys, just stick with it, whatever you're doing, and don't give up. And I'll see y'all soon. You have something to say?
Yeah, I was just gonna say, hey, y'all check us out. Me and O'Neal are gonna be doing more stuff in the future. Y'all check us out, get plugged in, connect with us, message us, see how you can get connected.
Yes, indeed. All right, fella. Oh, fella.
Ladies.
What's going on, everybody? We just left Lafayette Middle School. We had a career day. I was teaching people about real estate, credit, and money, what to do with money. Got me some food, water to go. On to my next meeting. I'll see y'all soon. We're still moving. We at Home Depot right now. I'm about to get some roof felt, okay? Roof felt, as you can see, it's 432 square feet. The reason I have this, we're about to lay some floors, and this is a cheaper option for underlayment. It's waterproof, so it's a cheaper option. If you go with real underlayment that you get from the flooring department, it's usually the cheapest one is about $25 or $20 per 500 square feet. This is 432 square feet for only $17, so it's a steal. And the reason for underlayment is for if it's on a cement slab, sometimes cement sweats, which cause wetness, which cause floors to buckle. In this case, we have a house on piers. Again, it's on piers, so water can get underneath the house. Water rises, causes the floor to buckle. So you put underlayment to cover, to protect the wood floors or the laminate floors from buckling from the water, from the sweat on the cement, or the sweat, or the water that's rising from the ground up. So just a little tip, grab some felt next time if you're getting a rental or something like that. If you're doing a flip, you might as well do it big and do it right. So just a little quick tip. See you at the house. Right here, putting some wood on the floors. Check it out. Put that felt. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Good thing I have those floors sitting in my storage, so every time I see floors on discount or I know I'm gonna get a good deal, I always buy it at a super low discount and I just save it for times like this.
If you need the floor, then leave it out so much.
What's going on, everybody? I'm in the house in Lake Charles. Y'all seen this house before. This had the crazy tenant, disgusting house. I'll put the video down, the link in the description, what video I'm talking about. Had a lot of views, I think might be at close to 30 now. Make sure y'all check that out. But I'm in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Well, Sulphur, Louisiana to be exact. I'm sorry, I'm on the other side of the bridge. I'm in Lake Charles. So this city is a gold mine. So with this house right here, we're gonna rent out each room $200 to $220, $240 a week, per week. So that's gonna be $800 a week in this house, because this house is a 4-bedroom. Or maybe we can even rent out the living room space for like $100. That would be $900 a week. Multiply that, that'd be $3,600 just on this single house right here. I got that from my boy Adidas. He does it. He has 4 houses he's renting out right now at this moment, making over $9,000 a month. So I'm gonna definitely take his method and use it right here. We're gonna make this money. And I'll see you in the car. And I know y'all gonna ask, they're gonna have somebody in the comments asking, who's renting this out for $200 to $260 a week? Construction workers. That's why Lake Charles and Sulphur, Louisiana is a gold mine. There's so much work going on around here. It's a shortage of houses, and renting houses compared to renting hotels is a lot cheaper. So hotels rent a week is like from $300 to $450 a week. In a house, you can rent it for $200 a week, and you have your own space, you got your own kitchen, stuff like that. So construction workers are getting $100 to $120 per day for housing and food. So they're coming out winning. They get to $700 to $800 per week to spend on housing and food. Rent this out for $200 to $260 a week. You're still making a profit of $500 plus. So that's why it makes sense for everybody.